Hey everyone, it's Dave. I'm back with my 2019 Honda CR-V. So the car has left me stranded twice at the airport now when I've left it parked for several days in the cold winter. We didn't have enough cranking amps to get going. I needed a jump start. So today I'm going to take care of it and replace a battery. You're watching Dave's Auto DIY. So the first thing we'll do is disconnect the negative terminal, which is the back one, the black one. Always start with the negative. It's a 10 millimeter. Just loosen up that clamp and we should be able to slide it off the post. And just set that to the side somewhere where it's not touching anything metal. This is just plastic up here, that's good. Second, we'll do the positive, which is under the red cap. Pull the red cap back, loosen off the clamp that's attaching it to the post, and we'll pull that off. So the battery's disconnected now. Now we just have to remove this 10 millimeter that is from the hold down clamp and be able to swing that out of the way. So I've got that loose enough now that there's a little J hook on the bottom that hooks underneath, so I can remove it, swing that out of the way. Battery's heavy, sort of. Oh, there's a handle. Good, there's a handle. So we'll take off the battery blanket because we'll put the battery blanket on the new battery. So I got a new battery from Costco. It's an H5 battery with 650 cold cranking amps. More cold cranking amps than the one that we're replacing. Put the battery blanket on there and install it back into the battery tray with the positive at the front and the negative at the back. Now guess what? Putting it back is just the reverse. Put that little J hook through the hole in the battery tray down there, and then we'll take our 10 millimeter and tighten up the hold down clamp. Then we'll put the positive terminal on, snug that up, and then the negative terminal. I'll throw the old battery in the trunk because I got to return it back to Costco. There's a core deposit, so I'll get $10 back for returning this. Now we'll just make sure it works. Hooray! So that's all there is to replacing the battery in your 2019 Honda CR-V. I hope you learned something. I hope you hit subscribe, and I hope to see you next time on Dave's Auto DIY.